Hello everyone, coming up on this edition of Living Blind with Cory Jackson, we are finally in the kitchen again. And this week, we are going to make something that I just know you're going to love. We are going to make a strawberry cake. Now, summertime, when I think about it, I think of anything that has strawberries in it because I absolutely love strawberries. So sit back, relax, and spend a little bit of time with me while we make a strawberry cake. So thank you all for joining me this week, and man, do I have something good for us to make. I found this over on my friend Sherry Skinner's TikTok, and I will leave a link to this recipe on her TikTok in the description field. So be sure to check her out. She has all kinds of great recipes. But as I was saying in the introduction, I love strawberries. I've eaten strawberries in salad. I love strawberry shortcakes, strawberry Pop-Tarts, anything that has the word strawberry, it's for me. I've never made this cake before, but Sherry says it's really good, and with the list of ingredients, I know you can't go wrong. All right, so let's get started. For the cake, you will need either a white or a yellow cake mix. You will need a box of strawberry jello, 1 cup of strawberries. They can either be fresh or frozen. I'm using fresh. 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of Crisco, and 4 eggs. For the icing, you will need 1/2 stick of butter, 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar, and strawberries until it reaches the consistency that you like. So let's make the cake. So I'm going to add in my yellow cake mix to the mixer bowl. Make sure we get that all in there. And then I'm going to add my 4 eggs. And I won't make you watch me crack all these. And now we're going to add our 1 cup of strawberries. And we are going to add our 1/2 cup of Crisco. And I grabbed a fork to get this with, and I should have grabbed something better, but that's all right, we got it. And I grabbed a plastic fork. I didn't even grab a real fork, but that's okay. All right, our Crisco's in. We're going to add 1/2 cup of water. And finally, I almost forgot the most important part. We are going to add 1 packet of strawberry jello. Honey, this is strawberry jello, right?
Turn it around. Yes.
Okay, just wanted to make sure we weren't adding like lime jello. I don't think that would be too fitting for this. And we got home from the grocery store, and Jen was putting the groceries away, and Duke ran away with this box of jello. So he had the box itself all torn up. So this is just a 3-ounce box of great value strawberry jello that we're using. It's like 38 cents at Walmart. Can't beat it. There's no sense buying the Jello brand. It's like 80 cents a box. And you know, I'm all about great value, especially when it tastes good. So now I'm just going to put this over here on the stand mixer. We're going to turn it on a nice medium speed, let it mix. I'll stop here in a minute, scrape the bowl, and continue mixing. And now that that's all mixed up, we're just going to dump it in our cake pan. Ooh, it comes out really nice too. It smells really good. What do you think, Jen?
Yes, it does.
I'm assuming it looks really good too. And I'll just take and Pound that down a few times, move it back and forth like this. Give it the old touch test, and it's ready to go in our 350-degree oven. I'm going to start it out at about 25 minutes. I'll insert the toothpick, see if it comes out clean, and if I need to add more time, I will. And I'll be back when it's done. All right, so the cake is out of the oven. I did check it after about 25 minutes, and it wasn't quite done. So 30 minutes in this oven was the magic number, and it came out perfect. So let's get ready to make the icing. So I've already added my half a stick of butter to my stand mixer. And what I'm going to do is just start adding this powdered sugar, probably around a half a cup at a time. The recipe says it could take around 4 cups, so I'm going to just start adding it. I'll watch it really close when we get to about 3 and see how it's doing. So let's just start it up here, and I'll be back in just a minute. All right, now I'm adding in the strawberries. It's going to make it perfect. I hope I have enough. I only bought a pound. I'm just going to turn. All right, so the icing is finished. It tastes delicious. And now my beautiful wife, Jennifer, is going to step in and ice the cake. Because quite frankly, I just don't know if you would want to see me ice a cake. I gotta practice that. That is definitely not my thing. I mean, it would get done, but I want it to look nice too. So we'll have her ice the cake, and we'll come back and show it to you. And here's the finished product. Jen always does a great job of icing the cakes. I think I'll keep her around. What do you think, Jen?
Maybe.
And she was the one behind the camera tonight as well, as she is a lot of times during these videos. So I want to say thank you to her for that. And again, I want to thank Sherry Skinner for sharing this recipe. I will link her information in the description. And if you all enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit the like button, leave your comments, your suggestions, your questions, your ideas, and most importantly, click on that notification bell so that you can be notified when new episodes are available. And don't forget to share with your friends. Have a wonderful day, everyone.